Remember those joggers that I soaked in that enzyme cleaner? Here they are. So I'm just taking them out of the washer. It's stuck on something. Okay. Gonna smell them. They smell so much better. So now I'm just gonna throw them in the dryer. I feel like sometimes when things get heated, some of the smells come out of them more. So I'll check them again when they come out of the dryer, just to make sure that they still smell good, but I think they're gonna. So here they are, fresh out of the dryer. I'm gonna smell them now. They smell good and they are nice and warm. I think I'm gonna go put these on.